Hello, Linda here from Barlates Body Bliss, little mini in her box. We're doing another Advent movement snack today. We're going to be using a Pilates ball, and it's an all mat mini ball workout, 10 minutes total, 40 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. We're going to take it a little bit more mellow with the pace today, but you can definitely still get a great burn. If you want to intensify, put on some light ankle weights or wrist weights even, and make sure you have some room on your mat, and let's get straight into it. Come into a side laying position, stack your legs together, put the ball onto your thigh, and I want you to roll the ball up as you raise your leg. Now you can slightly hover the top leg, so when you come back in line with the bottom leg, don't actually rest it. And I want you to try and push into the ball so that you're activating your arm muscles as well, keeping everything nice and aligned. Try and get your leg up really nice and high, knee to the front. Nice job. Now come into a more upright position, and we're doing a similar thing, but we're going to bend to the side and come in. So bend and reach and come in. This upright position should be a bit tougher. Remember, you're keeping your knee facing the front. You can sit back into the meaty part of your glute a bit if you're finding that it's hurting your hip in this positioning. Nice job. Now come back down. The ball goes on the inner thigh this time. Anchor your back leg, and we're going to push up, roll and in. So you're going to have to kind of figure out where to put your ball so that at the end of the motion you've still got control of it. So I'm pushing up on my hand, and then I'm rolling it, pushing into the ball and raising my leg at the same time. Hopefully you're not losing your ball. Mine is actually not blown up enough, so I'm struggling to roll it properly.
I'm diving in the deep blue. Are you looking for you tonight? I'm diving in the deep blue. Are you looking for you?
Okay, so now we're coming up again, and I'm going to just stay at the top and roll and push. So it's a little pulse. So try and stay upright. Try and push your chest forward, and you're pushing and rolling. If you prefer to sit further back onto the meaty part of your glute, you can do that positioning too, and it just means you need to lift your leg a little bit more. Are you pushing into your ball? Is it hard yet? Okay, let's change it into a pretzel position. I want you to take your ball in line with your knee and further out. Both hands are on the ball. We're going to push into the ball, lift the leg down and up. So it's down, leg up, leg down, push up. So it's kind of like a modified push-up with instability because you're lifting off that ball with those hands, holding that, raising, don't let your knee come forward, and up. Just keep adjusting your positioning on that ball. I want it to be feeling like you're feeling it in the muscles that we're actually working, right? So if you're in the wrong position, you're going to find it tough. Okay, now we're staying down. We're going to push and lift, push and lift, push and lift. So you're pushing while you're loading into those arms and shoulders, and you're keeping your knee in line with your butt and raising it. Push and lift, push and lift. Come on, get it up there. Keep breathing. This leg is in line with the hip. It's not coming forward like this. Push and raise. I'm never letting my knee come down. If you need a little micro break, take it. But this is it on this side and we're switching. Breathe. Come on, this is tough. Okay, other side. Definitely not easy. So do you remember your legs are stacked, ball is on your thigh, and we're raising out and coming in. Hovering the top leg. Find the right position for your ball so that you can really push into it. Make sure you're not slouching. Try and get your leg up quite high. Makes a big difference in feeling it in your outer glute area and your hips. Okay, so now we're coming further up, and it's a similar move. Got a hair stuck to my chin. We're going to come out and then in. So you're staying more upright and then bending into your elbows slightly. So this time the leg doesn't raise as high. Your kneecap is still facing the front. Bend and push. Feeling it already. I hope you're pushing into your ball. If you need a micro break, you can. Otherwise, you could rest your leg on top of the other and then extend. Breathe and then push. That's your option. But this is a short and sharp workout, people. Ouch, that one burned. Come back down, anchor your back leg, and we're going to do it now to the front leg. So we're going to push up and roll. Push up and roll. So your leg is diagonal front. Try and raise, thinking about the inner thigh. Push into the ball. Your arms should be feeling this. All of this up and down pushing. It's like doing push-up variations. Okay, so now we're staying up, taking a breath. We're going to stay up and we're going to push and roll. Little pulses. Are you ready? Roll. Push and roll. This one is going to add up pretty quickly. Remember, you can kind of be further back on the meaty part of your glute, which means you need to bring your leg up a bit higher to feel the same resistance in the inner thigh, or you can be more in line and keep your leg lower. I find this one so much tougher, this positioning. Come on, a little bit more, and then we're switching it up to that pretzel. We're nearly done, people. This is short and furious, but mellow. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, coming into your Z position, make sure this leg stays in line with the hip. Push your hip forward, anchor your ball in line with your knee. We're going to push, lift, down, and up. So push up onto the ball, press into the ball while you lift that leg, and then up. Try and keep your chest facing the mat on that diagonal. Don't have the ball out too far. You want to have it kind of under your chest. Don't have it like out here and then you're going to be on a weird angle. Keep it under your chest. Okay, now the naughty one or the mean one. We're going to do push and pulse. Push and pulse to the end. This is it. Get into position, keep your knee back. Push and pulse. Push and lift. Push and lift. So come down so that you're in that push-up variation. Oh my goodness, my arms are killing me. Are yours? Push. 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 You're lifting. You're pushing your hips slightly to the front, keeping the knee back. Push and lift. Push and lift. If it's too much on the ball, you can take your hands off. By now, I kind of get it because we did so much pushing up that even after 10 minutes, it's work, right? But guess what? You've got 5 seconds. Finish strong with me. Oh my goodness, 1. That is it. Don't throw the ball at me. That was really, really quick. 6 exercises per side. But I almost feel like it was total body. We definitely used our core a lot. Stretch if this is your last one. Otherwise, add on something that's going to lengthen you out a little bit, maybe some cardio. And I'll be back with another Advent workout snack very soon. Bye for now.